Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. If you're new, welcome. If you are old, welcome back. In today's video, I gave you this New Year's Eve vibe. I'm going out tonight, so I just decided to turn on my camera so that you guys can see me beat my face. You know, for New Year's, don't mind my hand. I need to get them done, y'all. I really need to get them done. But this fake ponytail, because my hair was looking through, and I'm like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? So I just went to the beauty supply and I actually got this ponytail right here. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as comment below, like, do whatever you need, but make sure you hit that bell button so you can get all my notifications when I upload. And Happy New Year, you guys. So my brows are on, ponytail is snatched, prime my eyes, goodie but oldie, oldie but goodie, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm gonna go in with my favorite palette, and this is the Morphe 3502 palette. This ponytail is like tight. Oh, this is foundation. I was trying to see what foundation I could use. I think this one's like a little too dark. It's like too orangey. So in case you're wondering what the patches are, that's what that is. I was trying to test out different foundations on my face. And with the Morphe M518 blending brush, and I'm gonna go in to this shade right here. This is Orb. I'm just going to pack this first on my lid. Going in with this like orange coral shade right here. This shade right here, that's a good shade. With this light powder right here in the top corner. Should have done this first, but it's okay. I'm gonna sort of like cut my crease in a sense. And with, I don't know what shade. This is more of a rose gold. I'm gonna go with this one right here. shade right here called Maiden. It's like a pearl gold color. I'm taking this black opal eyelining pencil and I'm just gonna line the top of my lid. I'm just gonna pat this in the areas that I get like oily. I get oily right here and up over here. I do not want no oils going on my face, okay? The Maybelline Superstay, and I'm in the shade Warm Sun. I do not like this spray. I feel like it makes my face burn. I don't know. Now I'm gonna go in with the Nars concealer in Carmel. Just gonna let that sit on my face for a minute. So it can be like snatched, you know what I'm saying, y'all? I think I waited too long and now it's like drying on my face, so I'm gonna take the Wake Me Up mist and spray my face. Well, I shouldn't have done that. And spray my eyes. To set my face before this stuff just slides off. So I'm just gonna use this Ben Nye powder. Favorite contour kit, I'm gonna contour these for people who do not know how to contour, but this is like a guide because you know you just dip it in the powder and then you just follow your cheekbone. So I want to go for more like chisel cut look. So I'm gonna take this shade right here, wiggle that inside there, tap some of the excess, and instead of going where my natural cheekbone is, I'm just gonna go like a little bit higher than what it actually usually is. So like I said, this is my cheekbone right here, but I'm just gonna go like maybe where my ear is to give me more of like a chiseled kind of look. Me loose powder. This is too dark for me. I don't know if you guys can see that in there. It does look very like, I don't know, maybe I can make this work. I'm just gonna put some of this in my cap. That's what the powder is looking like. And so I don't get flashback, I'm gonna dip this stop and I'm just going to brush my under eye. But like still setting, you know what I'm saying? Using this by MAC, taking this on a brush. So I applied my lashes off camera. These are the Lovely Lashes by Jolisa. She's on Instagram, so I'm gonna be sure to link this down below so you guys can find these awesome lashes, and they were like super affordable. The Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and I went over that gold shade because it wasn't like super pigmented, and then I put some of this in my like inner corner to kind of brighten it up a little, and then I use the same colors that I use on my lids underneath my eye to smoke my lash line out. I'm gonna go in with that same highlighter. I'm just gonna highlight like the highest points of my cheeks. My mama's so annoying talking about some, I don't even think you're gonna get in. Oh, we better get in for $40, okay? Using my cork lip liner. And this is the finished look. Happy New Year's to you guys. I hope everyone has a blessed and safe holiday. Please be safe out there if you're drinking, wherever you're going. And I'm about to go turn up. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit because yeah, it is a get ready with me. So this is what the dress looks like. It is actually from Windsor. Yeah, I like it. It's very like New Year's Eve, if you ask me, just because of the rhinestones down here and all that stuff. And this is like really, really cute. Let me get closer so you guys can see. And it's just like a pencil type deal thing. Oh, sorry for the junk in the back, but this is what the dress looks like. Just like pencil. It comes like a little bit above my knees. And I have some like black glass heels that I'm gonna wear. So again, I will see you guys in my next video.